Welcome to our guide on how to connect Partnerize with wecantrack via API. First, you have to log into your wecantrack account. In your account, go to Data Sources and Affiliate Networks. Search for Partnerize Affiliate Network. Click Add New Account. Give your account a name. Now you have to fill in your Partnerize user application key and API key. To find your API credentials, please follow the link provided in the description. Now you're in your Partnerize account settings. You can find here your user application key and API key from your Partnerize account. Click on the icon to reveal your key. Copy your user application key and API key and paste it in the correct fields in your wecantrack account. Partner ID. To find your ID, please follow the link in the description. Your ID is in the top left corner of your partner settings page. Copy the partner ID and paste it in your wecantrack account. Click Add Account, and your Partnerize integration is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other integration videos.